What's up? What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah. It's Rico. What is up, my family? What's up, guys? So today we're about to do the 1 minute patty challenge. And what is it, Orin?
So the 1 minute patty challenge is a challenge where basically we time ourselves and see how fast we can eat a patty, and hopefully it's under 1 minute.
Alright, so it's one Jamaican beef patty, and we go the spicy route because we like spicy food. We're Jamaicans. And this challenge was created by Marilyn's vlog. I'll put her information right there. Challenge accepted, Marilyn's vlog. Featuring guest is Orain, my nephew. You saw him before in the Peach Festival video, and you also saw him in the Niagara Falls video. He wants to do a face-off with me. You think you're gonna win?
Of course I'm gonna win.
Alright, start the clock. We're gonna go.
On your mark, get set, go. Done.
Stop. Okay, guys, so it happened that Orion won the challenge. I don't know how this actually happened. I came second, Orion won. I was actually full. We did a little preliminary thing. I had some food and I actually had a patty before we actually did the challenge. So I was full.
So yes, sir.
Anyway, you came first. I came second. It is what it is. Alright. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share,
And subscribe.
Subscribe. Alright, guys. Stay true and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man. Okay, guys. Today we're gonna do the
1 minute patty challenge.
Oh crap, this just happened. I totally ruined the patties. Look at that. They're all burnt. I kept them in the oven too long. You ready for a patty challenge?
Yeah, man.
We're just warming up for the real match. Went out and got these patties and I just couldn't resist. So we having some patties before the actual match. But you think you can beat me?
Any day.
No way. I'm the king of patties.